Welcome nerds and news hunters. This is my guide on how to make some cool thumbnails that work perfectly for YouTube. If you like, please remember give me a like at the bottom and subscribe to my channel, and let's go into it. Welcome back, guys. So let me show you what I'm using to create my thumbnails. I'm using an online tool called canva.com. Let me just remove my webcam here so you can see the whole screen, right? You go to canva.com and you create your account here. You can choose to log in with Google. So if you have a Google account, obviously you probably have a Google account because you need that to be able to have your own YouTube channel, right? And you can just log in with this account here, and I already logged in on my other screen, so let me just jump over, and it would look like this when you're logged in, right? You can see my account up in the corner. You can see some of my designs that I've made for my videos, and actually let's just go ahead and create a new design. And we're going to choose custom dimensions because you want it to have a certain dimension here, 1920 1080 pixels, and you create the design, and then you get straight into the tool, right? And this is 100% free to use, but you can upgrade it to and pay for have more options. But first thing that we need to do to create our thumbnail is we need to have a background, right? And you can see under uploads I have all kind of pictures here from videos, and what I usually do is that after I plan my content, I have some recordings here, and welcome nerds and news hunters. Right, we can actually see this is a clip that I've made. If we would like to use this, maybe this is a bad example. Let's just check it out. If there's something else, yeah, here. This is a Mortal Kombat fight. So let's go into this one. And let's say that we wanted to use this as our thumbnail. I would use the cut tool that are available here and simply just cut out this piece that we wanted to use, right? And you will save it as a picture, so that this way you could grab something from a video and insert it as a background, right? So this is just my example on how you could get a unique background. But we can choose let's see, I have something here from some gameplay. So we could choose, for example, this background, right? And or actually we could use this one. I like this one better. And then we would like to add some kind of element to this. It could be square. Let's add a square, right? And you can change the dimensions just by dragging. You can turn it like this, right? You have to be a bit creative. So say here we can do it like this, right? But you could place it up here like that, and you could make it more, change the transparency if you want to. And actually we could go ahead and make this red, and we could add some text to it. Text. Let's go ahead with this one. Right. Pro thumbnails. It's just an example, okay? Then you can just turn around the text and you can place it here, right? this way you would have like a cool headline to your thumbnail. You could add more text anywhere you want, and there's different kind of examples here that you can use. You can change the size as well on each line if you want to, and everything, and you can also change the fonts. Let's check out. We could do the. I have on my channel my logo as well. Just place that. I've made it so, like this, and we could just add this. You can see I've not I've not spent too much time on making this work. Let's see. Something like this, right? But of course you need to work around with it to, you know, make it the size that you want. But this could actually work as a thumbnail, I'd say. But you know, it have to be, the background has to be in topic of what you're trying to achieve with your content, right? It has to be in balance with that, and it have to be, you know, intriguing to someone, to wanting to click on it, and you need to keep these things in mind. But this is the tool that I use for making thumbnails, and I think it's pretty cool and pretty easy to use it. So just go ahead, guys, and make some cool thumbnails, and I hope that you appreciated my input on this, and thank you so much for staying on my channel, and I hope you will like and subscribe and click the bell for more videos, and I will see you later.